Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick look at my allotment. I'm ashamed to say, with the pandemic and the virus, I have not been out here for several months. This is the first time back. So, as you can see, still reasonably weeded, this section, but I'm going to stop coming in the next few weeks as long as the infection rate stays low. In here, as you can see, everything's dead. Well, almost everything. Nice cabbage there, what I'm expecting. Yeah, as you can see, dark, there's anything in here, everything's died. A few things have managed to survive, tapping the roots down into the lower soil. Right, let's look out here, shall we? Walk down. Yeah, a lot of work to be done. I shall start coming, hopefully, this week again. Look at these. Hey! Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Further down, this bottom end never got weeded this spring. So from here further down, didn't do anything at all. So this is going to be a big job. So I'm looking forward to it. Get me fit again. You see back up there? Yeah, like I said, this rake over, quick weed, and I think the person that actually runs the allotment sprayed some weed killer on for me. So that helped, but I'll get everything off and we'll start thinking about planting some things for this spring. And I've got some plants to fetch from my greenhouse and my garden at home, so I shall fetch them, measure it out. I'm going to get it all measured next few days, plant it up, plan it all out, mix some nice cottage garden flowers with some vegetables. So yeah, a lot of work to do, so fingers crossed not do me backing like I did last time. If you like my videos, please subscribe folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep yourself safe. Bye.